If you notice an orange light on your Lenovo docking station, it usually means the dock is having trouble receiving or delivering power. This warning is common on models like the Lenovo ThinkPad USB-C dock Gen 2, and it often happens because of loose cables, incorrect power adapters, or outdated drivers. The orange indicator doesn't always mean the dock is damaged. It's simply a signal that the power connection or communication between the dock and your laptop needs attention. In most cases, a quick connection check or software update can resolve the problem. Step 1. Check that the USB-C cable and power adapter are securely connected to the dock and laptop. Step 2. Make sure you are using the correct power adapter recommended for your docking station. Step 3. Unplug the dock from power and perform a hard reset by waiting about 30 seconds. Step 4. Open Lenovo Vantage and install any available driver or firmware updates. Step 5. If the orange light remains, test another cable or power outlet or contact Lenovo support.